In today's video, after you just notice that I just posted a video about how I was able to verify my account with my Google AdSense. As you can see that I have my Google AdSense and I've already verified it. Okay, so that pin is just once. And today what I'm going to talk about is the mistake that you should avoid when you are applying for your Google AdSense. Okay, that is what we are going to treat today. If that is the reason you click on this video, all you need to do for me, for your girl, is to hit on the subscribe button, then turn on your notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach as many people that might need it, not to avoid the same mistake when they are applying for their pin. What the mistake they should not avoid, they should not make. That is what I'm going to talk about today. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. Number one mistake that you should not make is never use different name. For example, if you have 3 names, your surname, your name, and your middle name, make sure it is arranged the same way as your ID card you are using. You know, you are going to use either your driver license or your international passport, or you are going to use your resident card if you are living abroad. Okay, make sure as the same name is being arranged, that is the same way you are typing it into your Google AdSense account. Do not make mistake. Don't use different name. Make sure the name is arranged appropriately the same way. That is number one. Number two, make sure that the address that you fill in is correct. Don't make any mistake with your address. Okay, if maybe you have already filled it, you now get to know that the address is not correct, there is a possibility to change it. Just go back to your Google AdSense and go to the account and change your address. There's possibility to change the address. Okay, so I'll still make a video on how to change your address if you want to change your address. So if you're interested in that video, let me know in the comment section. So make sure you do not make mistake in your address. It's very, very important. Then point number 3. This not point number 3. It applies to so many people that are living in Africa. I don't know about that, but I know about many people that are living in Nigeria. That is this what number 3 is for, because our mailing system there, it is not too good. So I will advise us that to use a nearest post office that is close to your address, your house address, to get your Google AdSense pin. And then what I will also tell us is that any post office address that you want to use, please go there, ask them whether they know, they are familiar in receiving it or not, because it is not all post office that can receive it and that is receiving it. Make sure that the post office you are using, they know what is Google AdSense for YouTube, because most of them are not receiving it, so they might not know what is Google AdSense. So for you, it's going to help you to be able to know whether your post office close to your house is using it. If not, you can be able to go further, check for another post office around you that you can be able to use. Please do not make that mistake, because without you verifying your address, it's going to be a problem to get paid, and you don't want to be in that situation. And you can see how we are creating content, how you are putting your effort, your time, your knowledge. You will do your research before you will now buy data again to upload the video to YouTube, and now it gets time to pay. The address will not be the issue. So that the address will not be the issue, follow this step, and then I'm sure you're going to get your pin just once and for all without stressing yourself. And then if you find this video useful, let me know in the comment section. And number 4 is, if you did not get your pin, you have 3 times to apply for it. When you go to your Google AdSense, you go to your payment info and you will see resend there. You resend it after 4 weeks, because once they send the first one, it's going to take 4 weeks before you receive it. Sometimes, like my own, is only 1 week. it depends on your address where you are living, that will determine how long it's going to take. Okay, my own take just 1 week. Other people can take 2 weeks, can take 4, but maximum 4 weeks. If after 4 weeks you have not received your pin, then the next thing is you go back to your Google AdSense. There is a place to click resend. I'll put the screenshot on the in the video. Okay, so there's a place to click resend. Then click on that resend to send it to ask demand for it again. Then if there is need for you to change your address before that, try and change it in the Google AdSense before you click on resend. Then once you now click on that resend, you need to wait after 30 days again before you can use the resend button again. If you have not received it, you have 3 times to click on that resend. That means you have to wait for 30 days before you can now resend it. If you did not do all that and you did not receive it, then you need to watch the video that I'm going to put as an end screen, because in that video I show you how to verify your address without pin. That is what's going to help you to verify if you did not receive your pin in your mailbox or in your nearest post office that you used. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you are finding value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, so that when I drop a video, my video blowing like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And my name is Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. You need to watch the next video on your screen, because it's going to show you how you are going to verify your address without using pin. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.